Welcome back, Julie. How was the last time you played in the bunker shots?
Oh, my bunker shots were better, thank you.
Good. So I understand you want to work on some putting today? We
Yes.
had some 3-putt issues the last time we
Yeah, 3-putt issues. I seem to have some trouble hitting them too hard.
Okay.
My miss it tends to be that I hit it way too hard.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead and run through the basics here, and I got a couple balls here, and I'll watch your stroke real quick and see if I can see anything there.
Okay.
All right. Good setup. Rolled pretty good.
Okay.
Let's try it again. Slight miss hit there.
Yeah.
Are you more of a straight back, straight through kind of putter, or do you feel like a little arc in the swing?
I try and be straight back and straight through.
Okay.
You know, I think sometimes the club head turns a little coming
Okay.
through, and I tend to open it more than close it.
Okay. Well, I have a putting tool here. It's the Pels Golf Putting Tutor. What it does and how we use it is, so when you come up, ideally we always want to run through our pre-shot routine. So we're coming in behind the ball, we're sitting down, we take a look at it, see what the break is. So looking behind the Pels tool here, this putt looks fairly straight, shouldn't turn too much. And so what we do is we would have a marker down behind the ball, and then we come line our ball down our intended target line. So long as the mark on the ball is in line with the putter, or in line with the sight line, and then coming through and seeing, once you set up normally, you should be able to see the 2 white lines but no red circle on there. That means that you're not drifting too far forward or behind it. Your eyes stay right over the ball.
Okay.
And then the goal is to just swing and have the ball roll through without hitting any of the marbles. So as you see, I kind of had a little bit of a miss hit there. It knocks the marble off. That means that we haven't stroked it through to our intended target, and therefore if the ball is not starting on line, then who knows where it's going to go from there. So we always want to try and have it roll through the target. So try it again. Perfectly through, goes in the hole. So now I want you to try running through the same pre-shot routine that you normally do. So we're going to imagine that we have a ball marker set right behind the ball. Here's the ball for you. I want you to go ahead and line it up straight down the line.
Okay.
Good. Now set up normally to it. If you need to take a practice swing, feel free.
Oops, I hit a marble.
Yeah. So that means we're not quite rolling it through. Let's try it again. Good.
I did it that time.
Perfect.
Hit it too hard.
A little hard.
Yeah.
Let's try it one more time. Better speed. Kind of wobbling on the ball there. So this tool kind of shows us that, you know, need a little bit of work starting the ball on line here, and that could be part of the issue too. Is if we don't start it on line, there's kind of 2 ways that would happen. So either we're not hitting it in the center of the putter, or we're changing the face on it at impact. Both are not great. If we're mishitting the center of the putter, that could be caused by some of the speed issues. If you hit the ball off center more towards the toe or the heel, a lot of times it doesn't roll quite as powerfully off the face
Okay.
versus hitting it right in the center in the sweet spot, just like if we were to hit a normal shot. It's going to roll a little bit firmer off of it. And so, also when we come through, and if we're mishitting it face-wise, coming in with a really shut face, kind of rolls off left, might have a little bit more power to it. Rolling through with an open face, kind of cutting across it, may not roll quite as far. So that's kind of the purpose of the drill here, is we want us to always hit the center of the face and being square, just like our full swing shots. So let's
Okay.
try the drill one more time. Closer.
Okay.
Very close. Get one more good one going through there. Good. Really good. See how much smoother that kind of rolls through it? A little bit easier to control. All right. So now we'll come off the tool, and I want you to try and have that same swing that we were just practicing on it, hitting a different putt. Perfect.
Okay.
So I want you to feel like you're still using the tool, and it should be the same stroke and the same swing. Good. A little firm.
Little firm. Yeah. That was a good one.
Much better.